Facing overwhelming debt or creditor pressure can feel stressful and isolating. The good news is that U.S. bankruptcy laws include powerful protections designed to give you breathing room and the chance for a fresh financial start. In this video, we'll explain the key protections bankruptcy offers and what you need to know before moving forward. Bankruptcy isn't just about debt elimination. It also stops many creditor actions immediately and legally. The automatic stay is a foundational bankruptcy protection that goes into effect as soon as your bankruptcy petition is filed. It stops creditor phone calls. It pauses lawsuits. It halts wage garnishment. It prevents foreclosure sales. It stops repossession efforts. This protection is automatic. You don't need to ask for it after filing. It happens instantly upon filing your petition. The stay provides legal breathing room so you can begin organizing your financial house without creditor pressure. Chapter 7 is designed for individuals with limited income. Non-exempt assets may be sold to pay creditors. Most unsecured debts can be discharged. The automatic stay stops creditor actions once the petition is filed. Chapter 13 is designed for those with regular income. It allows you to reorganize debts into a manageable repayment plan, typically 3 to 5 years. It prevents foreclosure if you're catching up over time. You keep your assets while making structured payments. Once the automatic stay is in place, employers must stop taking money from your paycheck for debt collection. Creditors cannot pursue new suits, and most existing judgments are halted. Bankruptcy can stop foreclosure sales and vehicle repossessions while the stay is in place and under certain plans, especially in Chapter 13. Many states require continuation of essential services if you've paid recent bills even while in bankruptcy. These protections matter because they preserve your stability while your case progresses. To qualify for Chapter 7, you need to pass means testing. For Chapter 13, you need proof of income and budget. Counseling requirements include credit counseling before filing. Eligibility doesn't guarantee discharge, but it determines which protections and relief pathways are available. After filing, you get a meeting of creditors, known as the 301 meeting. Most unsecured debt is discharged in Chapter 7. In Chapter 13, you complete the repayment plan. You rebuild credit over time. Bankruptcy isn't the end, it's a reset. Bankruptcy protections help you stop damage, and then you can work toward financial health again. Bankruptcy protections like the automatic stay and structured chapters are designed to give you breathing room, stop creditor actions, and help you start fresh. Whether you pursue Chapter 7 or Chapter 13, understanding your protections is the first step toward financial stability. If you're considering bankruptcy and want clarity on your options, talk to a qualified attorney who can review your situation.